I don't know if you can hear that squeaking sound. That would be Trevor grinding his teeth together. His two big old teeth he's got going. He is 10 months old. Yay for Trevor! Yeah. He's such an independent little boy. Will not be fed anymore. He will only feed himself. At 10 months old, he had a grilled cheese sandwich for dinner last night.